Hello guys, and welcome to today's video on composite functions part 2. Right guys, today's video is filmed here on the 27th of June 2020, so Saturday 27th of June 2020. Right guys, if you're new, welcome. My name is Abdallah W, and I'm a private maths tutor and a recently qualified maths teacher for secondary and primary. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and like my video and enable notifications, because it would really help me out, guys. Okay, but let's get on with today's video. Right guys, okay, so last lesson obviously, yeah, so we were looking at obviously composite functions. Okay, so these are going to be our learning objectives for today's lesson, guys. So we're looking at grade 8, 9. Okay, so these are going to be our objectives. Okay, so I want us to just have plenty of practice and just to be happy with it. Okay. Yeah, and the next lesson, yeah, so hopefully tomorrow's lesson or Monday's lesson, I will look at inverse functions. Okay, guys, right. So composite functions. So composite functions, guys, are functions of a function. Okay, so it's a function of a function. So I've got two functions or maybe more. Okay, yeah, and then I would apply one function to the other. Okay, yeah. So that is what we're going to be looking at, obviously. Yeah. So for the purposes of our lesson here, we're looking at just two functions only, guys. Okay, guys, right. Let's go on today's example. Okay, so given that f of x here equals 3x minus 5 and g of x equals 2x plus 4. So this is my function notation, guys, here for functions. Okay, so this is how my function is here, is written in algebra, guys. Okay, work out f g of x. Right, what this means, guys, is, right, I take my function here, g of x, so g of x equals 2x plus 4, okay? And then what I do is I apply f to it. So I start on the right hand side, and then I essentially work my way to the left, if that makes sense. Okay, so I take my function g and I apply f to it. Okay, so I get f of 2x plus 4, and that means all I do here is I replace f of x with 2x plus 4. So I replace x in the function f of x with 2x plus 4. So the right hand side now becomes 3 brackets 2x plus 4, because I'm replacing x with 2x plus 4, and then brackets close, and then minus 5. And then if I expand that, I get 3 times 2x, which is going to be 6x. 3 times 4, which gives me plus 12. So I get 6x plus 12 minus 5, which is equal to 6x plus 7, or 7 plus 6x. Either way is the correct answer. Okay? Right, guys, next part. Find g of f of x. Okay, so g of f of x, guys, is, so I take my function f of x, okay, and then I apply g to it, okay? So whichever letter here is on the far left-hand side, that's the function that I apply it to, if that makes sense, okay? So g of 3x minus 5, because f of x is 3x minus 5. So I replace g of x, okay, so I replace x in my g of x equation with 3x minus 5. So I get 2 brackets, okay, 3x minus 5, brackets close, plus 4, because 2x, remember, means 2 times x. Okay, so expanding my bracket, I get 2 times 3x, which is 6x. 6x minus 4. Okay, I'm not sure why there's an equal there. It should be a 4 there, minus there. Sorry, not a should be a minus there. Okay, 6x minus 10 plus 4. Minus 10 plus 4 gives me minus 6. So my answer is 6x minus 6. Or, yeah, 6 brackets x minus 1, brackets closed here, or minus 6 plus 6x. Either way is correct. Okay, guys, right. Find g of f of 4. Okay, so what I do here, guys, is I put in f of 4 first into my equation. So I put in 4 into here. So 3 times 4 is 12, minus 5 is 7. Okay, I would then put, so I would do g, of 7. Okay, because whatever my outcome is, that's the one that I put in for g, if that makes sense. G of 7 is 2 times 7, which is 14, plus 4, I get 18. So g of 7, so the answer to that, okay, becomes 18. Or conversely, what I can do here, guys, is I know what g of f of x is, so I can just put in 4 into here. 6 times 4 gives me 24, minus 6 is 18, so either way is fine. Okay, right, guys, okay, so find f of 9. Okay, so f of 9 just means subbing in f of 9 into there. 3 times 9 is 27, minus 5 is 22, sorry. Okay, and then and then obviously in the exam, guys, they might ask you to work out g of minus 7, g of 0. So all you would do is just sub in the appropriate number into the appropriate function. Okay, so don't forget, guys, don't get mixed up. Actually, if it says f of 9, it means put it into the function f. Okay, if it says g of 0, it means put the number into obviously g of x. Okay, so just be careful there, guys. Right, guys, example 2. Okay, so we are given that f of x here equals minus x squared and g of x equals 10x plus 4. So we're asked to work out, okay, g of f of x. Okay, guys, right. So I take my function f, okay, which is minus x squared, and then I apply g to it. So what I do is I then replace minus x squared into g of x here, so it becomes minus 10x squared plus 4. Okay, or 4 minus 10x squared. Either way is fine. Okay, and then next part, guys, work out f of g of x. Okay, so I take my function g of x, which is minus 10, which is 10x plus 4, and then I apply f to it, so I've got minus x squared. So here, guys, I've got to be careful, actually. Remember that minus x squared here means minus 1 times x squared. So minus x squared actually will always give me like a negative, obviously value, actually, depending on what my answer is. So so obviously just being careful here. So it becomes a minus on the outside, and then brackets 10x plus 4 brackets closed all squared, which if you want it can be expanded actually here, but obviously I've been a bit like lazy here, guys, so I apologize here. So you can just expand that and then simplify your answer, obviously being careful with the minus sign on the outside. Okay, so what I'll do is I will put the answer to this in the description below for today's lesson. Okay, so you can check your answer. Okay, so that is how I would work out that, guys. Okay, so just be careful. Some they might put like a little minus in there just to like throw you off. Remember that a minus, obviously, obviously if it's squared or cubed or whatever, actually, if it's just minus x here, then it becomes minus brackets 10x plus 4 brackets closed, if that makes sense. So if it was just minus x, then it would be minus brackets 10x plus 4, which is the same as saying minus 10x minus 4. If it was just f of x minus x. Okay, so just be careful there, guys. Okay, right, guys. Okay, so here are some questions. Okay, so can you guys give these a go, actually? So I'll give you 3 minutes to have a go at this, and then I'll put the answers up, actually, up to afterwards. Okay, give it a go. For question 3, guys, we've not actually done, actually, but give it a go, actually. So it says solve f of x equals g of x. Okay, so all you do is just equate these two equations, and then you would obviously do the appropriate method, actually, to work out that, okay, from the question. Okay, it might be a bit hard to see question 5, actually. So question 5 says find g of f of x for question 1. And then question 4 says find f of g of x for question 1. Okay, so give this a go, guys. Okay, I'll give you 3 minutes, guys. Okay, so have a go for 3 minutes. Right, guys, it's now been 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, if you've not finished yet, don't panic, but please do obviously pause the video actually. Yeah, if you've not finished, okay, um, yeah. But now, guys, I will share the answers actually to obviously these questions. Okay, so don't feel pressured, guys. Yeah, if you've not finished, don't panic. Yeah, feel free to obviously pause the video. Okay, and then obviously continue it once you've actually finished it. Okay, guys, right. So, they should be your answer actually. So they're a bit hard to see actually. So, question 1A is f of 5 is 23. 1B, f of minus 1 is minus 1. G of 3 is 9. G of minus 5 is 1. 2A is going to be 7. 2B is 13. 2C is 4. Question number 3, I'm not sure why I put 3A there, but question 3 should be x equals 5. Question 4, guys, f of g of x is equal to x plus 6 all squared minus 2, which expanding it and simplifying it, I get x squared plus 12x plus 34. And question number 5, guys, g of f of x equals x squared minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to x squared plus 4. Okay, so they are your solutions, guys. Okay, guys, right, guys. Okay, so we are now at the end of the lesson. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do feel free to comment below actually if you've got any questions or queries that you might have. Feel free to obviously share the video. Obviously subscribe if you're new. And like my video. And comment below actually if you've got any questions or queries actually, or any topics that you want me to cover. Okay, next lesson, so either tomorrow, if not on Monday, we're going to look at inverse functions. Okay, so what is meant by an inverse function? Okay, but thank you so much for watching, guys. And lastly, guys, I just want to say actually a huge thank you actually. I've almost hit 100 subscribers actually, so I'm super grateful actually. So thank you so much actually. I believe I'm on like 93 or 94 actually. So thank you so much, guys. But please do obviously continue to subscribe actually, and I really appreciate you guys actually. So thank you so much actually. Okay. And so please please feel free to like share my videos actually. Right, guys, last part actually, right, other YouTube channels actually. Okay, so these are some useful channels. Maths Chelsea is really good actually. Corbett Maths is really good. Maths Genie is really good. Exam Solutions, again, brilliant. TR Maths is brilliant. And then Maths Explained Well. Okay, so these are really good, like, useful YouTube channels. Okay, so I hope that was okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I hope everyone's doing okay. Happy Saturday. Bye now.